Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sonia Rahman Qureshi and you are watching The First Blast. It's all about the women today. Absolutely, we are talking about women in the workforce, and we will be talking to amazing achievers in the field of HR who will be telling us how women are successful, how to go about having career paths, not just to be flighty, not just to think of where the next 6 months are going, but to actually have a 5-year career plan. What is office decorum, how to behave, equality with your male colleagues. Do you have any issues on that front or not? Also, we want to shatter a lot of the myths and the misconceptions that people have about women in the workforce. I think it does primarily depend on the woman herself, how she's going to be approached, how she's going to be treated, where to draw the line. It's good to have friendly relationships at work, but it is also very, very important to be very particular about keeping the environment very professional and very constructive, not to make it personal, not to allow emotions in it. I know it's easier said than done. Time for the sneak peek. Don't go too far and join us again in the studio immediately afterwards. Women at work, and does the glass ceiling exist?
But yes, you're a woman, but
more than capable of doing the job as well.
Yes and no, because the glass ceiling exists not just for women, but for lots and lots of people.
HR is the spine of a company.
the HR has to be on top of everything.
Sexual harassment, is it still an issue?
Harassment in general does exist because we are a little, how would you say, crude in our remarks.
Why are we talking about work? Sexual harassment is everywhere.
A woman really shouldn't have to go and complain that I'm not being considered for a position that is rightfully mine.
You need a critical mass of women in the workforce, and you need them to sustain their careers. If women take career breaks, then we need to also accept that there's going to be a break in the progression as well.
It's just the circumstances. It's not you as a gender.
Head of Pepsi
Yeah.
is an Indian woman.
Yes. It's quite remarkable.